Cash Giraffe coin balances can stop updating correctly when the app has not fully synced your activity, so the first fix is to force the app to refresh before doing anything else. By the end, you'll know what to check when your Cash Giraffe coins are missing, delayed, or not matching the activity you completed. Start by completely closing Cash Giraffe and opening it again. Check your coin balance after the app reloads, then open the game or activity that generated the missing coins. If the activity still shows as incomplete, the problem may be with tracking rather than the displayed balance. Next, check whether Cash Giraffe has permission to track the activity on your device. On Android, open Settings, find Cash Giraffe under Apps, and review its permissions and battery settings. If battery optimization is restricting the app from running properly, adjust the setting and then reopen Cash Giraffe. Also check your internet connection. Coin tracking depends on the app being able to communicate with its servers, so switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help determine whether the issue is local to your connection. Another thing to check is whether the game was installed through Cash Giraffe. If you installed the game separately before starting the offer, Cash Giraffe may not be able to attribute the activity correctly. Avoid uninstalling and reinstalling the game repeatedly, because changing the installation can interfere with tracking. If the coins still do not appear, open Cash Giraffe support or help section and look for an option related to missing rewards or tracking. Include the name of the game, the task you completed, the date you completed it, and screenshots showing the relevant progress. Those details give support something specific to investigate. Do not assume that a frozen balance automatically means your coins are permanently lost. First, determine whether the issue is a delayed balance, missing tracking, or an offer that was not properly attributed. So the practical order is simple. Restart Cash Giraffe, check tracking permissions and battery settings, verify your connection, confirm the game was installed through the offer, and contact support with evidence if the coins still do not appear. If this fixed your Cash Giraffe coin problem, like the video and subscribe for more app reward fixes.